you did to me. Look what you made me.
Wheels and Wings is your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and detailed features on some of the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we take a closer look at the Lexus Motorhome, a luxury recreational vehicle that blends the sophistication of Lexus with the convenience of a fully equipped mobile home. This motorhome is designed for those who appreciate comfort, technology, and performance, all wrapped in a sleek and modern package. The exterior showcases Lexus's signature styling with a bold front grille, aerodynamic lines, and high-quality materials that give it a premium feel. Built on a strong and durable chassis, it ensures stability and smooth handling on highways and rough terrains alike. The LED lighting system adds a touch of elegance while providing excellent visibility. Step inside, and the Lexus Motorhome impresses with a beautifully crafted interior. Premium leather seats, wood accents, and ambient lighting create a cozy yet luxurious environment. The spacious living area includes a comfortable lounge, a well-equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, and a smart entertainment system for a true home-on-wheels experience. Advanced climate control keeps the cabin at the perfect temperature, whether you're in the heat of summer or the cold of winter. The bedroom area offers a plush sleeping arrangement with high-quality bedding, while the bathroom includes modern fixtures, a shower, and ample storage space. Performance-wise, the Lexus Motorhome is powered by a robust engine that delivers a smooth and efficient drive. With advanced suspension and soundproofing, the ride remains quiet and comfortable. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision prevention systems, and a 360-degree camera for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency is optimized to ensure long-distance travel without frequent stops. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the driving and living experience. The smart dashboard integrates seamlessly with digital controls, offering navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics at your fingertips. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, and a wireless charging system, making it easy to stay connected while on the road. Voice command features allow you to adjust settings hands-free, adding to the convenience of travel. Owning a Lexus Motorhome means experiencing the pinnacle of comfort, innovation, and reliability. Whether for cross-country adventures or weekend getaways, it provides everything needed for a premium travel experience. If you love exploring in style without compromising on luxury, this motorhome is a perfect choice. For more in-depth reviews, features, and the latest updates on luxury vehicles and innovative travel solutions, make sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wings. Stay tuned for more exciting content.